Radhe Radhe. Friday's price action in Bank Nifty was as per our expectation. We will analyze in detail and then, as usual, we'll try to predict for Monday. As you can see, the 5 minute time frame of Bank Nifty, and I have already shared my view on Instagram reel that this retracement was expected so that you can see a new high in Bank Nifty. Neither Nifty nor Bank Nifty is bearish. Both of them are still bullish. However, in Bank Nifty, movement to the upper side is still pending, and Nifty is already holding its highest ever peak. I'll explain everything so that you can analyze yourself and plan your trade accordingly. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this video, we will try to analyze Bank Nifty's price action of Friday and we'll predict for Monday. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you do that, you will get notified once a new video is uploaded. On 4th June, as you can see, during the first 1 hour of the trade, there was a clear-cut double top formation. If you don't know what double top or double bottom formation is, then you can follow my Instagram channel for more info. This was a clear-cut indication that now price will go down. You could have entered the trade when price crosses 35,576 decisively and could have captured 300 points. Now let's check other time frame also for better view. In 15 minutes chart also you can see M formation. If you can combine both last 1.5 hour of price action of 3rd and first 1.5 hour of price action of 4th June. Let's see few more. If you go to 30 minutes time frame, this is also almost the same as 15 minutes time frame. Let's check 1 hour time frame also before I'll share other parameters. So as you can see the screen, in 1 hour also you can see double top formation. Though all the double top formation is not having exactly the same top level, but if you are following 1 hour for your trade, you could have clearly entered into the trade once this last swing low is broken by the price action. Now please focus on the channel that I have drawn. I'm talking about this channel, and see how the price is following this channel. That is why on Instagram I said next move will be faster, and this time Bank Nifty will definitely cross 36,000 levels. We are approaching to an end of bull rally, and once Bank Nifty crosses 36,000, you should focus on head and shoulder pattern. If you don't know what head and shoulder pattern is, you can visit Vega Stocks Instagram reel or simply Google it up. Remember, this is a second attempt of Bank Nifty to cross 35,000 levels, and now it will make its third attempt to break 36,000 levels, or try to break 36,000 levels. The prediction that I do is based on price action movement and simple logic, and I might be wrong because no one can actually predict the market. I hope I was able to make you understand. Now let's move ahead. Let me tell you one more thing. You should not be surprised to see next up move to the top will be higher than the last top of 35,810, and then again you will see a retracement. but this retracement will be small, and then next move will create a new high for Bank Nifty. If you have been following Vega stocks, then definitely be more focused from 21st to 28th of June. I am not expecting a reversal in June month at least, though you might see some retracement. Well, let's not increase the size of the video because I am pretty sure you will not be able to concentrate if the video is long. So let's try to predict for Monday. Remember, I am bullish in Bank Nifty and Nifty both. Let's go back to 5 minutes time frame. So if you see last 2 hours of price action, it is clearly sideways and within this range from 35,222 to 35,321. And if you concentrate more, you can see price action tried 4 times to cross this upper level and finally break on its 4th attempt. It has also made a candle above 35,321. Though after adjustment, the actual closing price of Bank Nifty is 35,291 approx. Now what to do on Monday? As you can see the screen, price is stuck between this triangle. So breakout is expected. It may be in the first half or second half, not sure. But market will be volatile for some time. What we should do then? Allow the market to break either 35,100 levels or 35,430 levels. Market might give a gap down opening, hence you might see a bit of volatility, a tussle between buyers and sellers. Please give at least 1 hour for the price to settle down. If price breaks 35,100 or 35,430 levels within first 1 hour, then expect a bigger directional movement. If price doesn't give a breakout, then in second half you will definitely see. I am expecting a breakout to the upper level, but we should be prepared for both the scenarios. If you see a proper price action, means higher highs or lower lows formation, then you know what to do. Now, if there is a huge gap up or gap down opening, then please avoid trading for the day. Points to remember: movement to the lower side is just of 100 to 150 points, but to the upper side it is huge. What is the target we can achieve in Bank Nifty tomorrow? This will depend on when we see a breakout. If breakout is early, Bank Nifty should close above 35,650 levels. Hope I have covered everything, but if I missed, then do let me know in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to you. If you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comment box, and if you like this video, please appreciate my effort by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your support, keep learning and happy trading. And also please forgive me for human error. Radhe Radhe.